Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 5. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 5. In this video, I will be reviewing the i-Blason ArmorBox case for the Z Fold 5. If you want to protect your beautiful investment, look no further. This is their heavy duty case and it will add protection to your phone. It does add a little bit of bulk to it, but it gives you that protection, especially if you work in construction, if you like to hike, or if you're prone to dropping your phone. This is a case you may want to use. I need to give a shout out to them for actually sending this to me for a review. Like we normally do in my case videos, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? Does it add bulk? The overall fit of the case? Just some things that you look for in a case review. But let's get this video going. Nice presentation from them. I like the black and gold. It reminds me of my Saints. Yeah, shout out to the Saints. Going to the Super Bowl this year. I know, big wishes. But nice packaging. It looks like you get a lot in here. Let's see. So you get some instructions on how to install it. You get some little cards here too, QR codes. Now this is a two-piece case and it does have a built-in screen protector. Y'all know how I feel about those. But you can remove them if you want to. Takes some work though, but you can try to remove it. And then here is the back of the case. You do have pen support in there, so you can put in your pen. Bam, nice and snug. But you have this felt material around here, so it won't scratch up your beautiful phone at all. And then also what I noticed too is that the hinge is a little bit bigger, the protection is, so it won't hit the hinge and scratch it up like some other cases. Also notice you have extra grip on the sides, and it has a kickstand too, which isn't, oh, it's sturdy too. Look at the back though. I do like the blue, it kind of matches my blue. But let's get this thing installed. The thing with these cases, you want to make sure you have them installed correctly. And I mean press them on there good. So we can put this one on. See that snug fit? You want that snap. And then you want to make sure you have it in there good. Look at that tiger too. You want to make sure you have it in there. So the first thing I noticed, you get a lot of grip with this case. You get grip here, you get grip here. You also get camera protection or lip action all the way around. You also have the built-in screen protector, which is not bad. Again, it's not bad. I just don't like the feel of touching plastic, but it works. I mean, if you don't want to take it off, you don't have to. You can leave it on there. The back, you get camera protection too, as you can tell. Everything lines up at the bottom. You have the microphone, the USB charging port there, the speaker there. Everything lines up at the top. When you open it up, you do not get lip action too much around. You get some. The one thing too that people complain about is that this will cover up some of your covered display. So if you use your camera, you know, if you use your covered display as a viewfinder, it will cover some of it up, as you can tell. But when you have it open, it gives you something to grab onto too, as a little handle there. I think that's actually pretty cool. You get a lot of room with the power button, so you don't have to worry about it. It's easy to get to. The volume rockers are easy to press, nice and tactile. One thing, I seen someone make a video about their buttons not working on one of these cases. If your buttons are not working, it means that you do not have the case installed correctly. You want to make sure you have it on there installed correctly. Make sure it's on there properly, because I don't have that problem on any of these cases, and it works really good. When I didn't have it installed, yes, it had that issue. And then again, the hinge is there. Again, it have enough room so you don't have to worry about scratching up your hinge protection. If you want to pop out your pen, just pop it out and it goes flying. So I have the pen. You don't have to do it that violently. So you just pop it out like that and carry the pen. That's it. It's pretty good. It does add bulk. I mean, look. You have bulk here. It's just a bulkier case. Let's check out the kickstand. So the kickstand works good that way. The kickstand works good this way. It also works like this. That way it's just a little bit less of viewing. I guess you have a lower, but I think it's meant to be used this way. I love it like that too. Now let's check the overall fit. Let's take this down too. The overall fit is good. Look, you're not getting this out of the case easily. You're gonna have to really work at it. So, and that's a good design. I like that design. You can see that it goes over the frame a little bit of the Z Fold 5. So I like how they do that there. Can you wireless charge? Let's find out. Yes, you can wireless charge without any problem. So let's recap it. You have some good grip. You have the pen holder there, the vine rockers, and the power button is easy to get to. Camera protection is a go. Everything lines up. It does add bulk, so if you do not like bulky cases, do not pick this up. The hinge protection is good too. So overall, it is definitely a nice case. It's a heavy duty case. It will add bulk. Just know that right off. But if you don't have to worry about dropping your $1,800 phone and causing damage on there. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.